Good morning to one and all present here. Honorable Principal Sir, respected Vice President Madam, all my learned colleagues, dear parents and all energetic students. As all of you are aware that we are celebrating Fit India Week from 1st of December to 6th of December 2020. The purpose of this Fit India Week is to create among all stakeholders, that is parents, teachers and students, and throughout the society, the importance of physical fitness. As we know that the famous saying that sound mind lies in the sound body, so to excel in academics, physical fitness is must. As we know that physical activities activates our body and reduces the dullness. Now the question arises in your mind whether physical fitness enhancement, how you could do the physical fitness, whether it is difficult. The answer is no. For that we require only discipline, and that discipline is required in each and every aspect of whatever activities we are doing. So initially we have to start with light exercises in which we are comfortable with, and then as our body gets used to, then we can try for other activities. So in the initial stage our mind resists changes as it always does. Once you conquer your mind, then nothing can stop you to enjoy a healthy life. The treasure of physical fitness will help you to relieve from all the negative traits such as anxiety and dullness, and leads you towards positivity in your attitude and aptitude, which will lead you towards a successful personality. This fitness program should not be confined to a particular week, but it should be included in our daily life by sparing at least half an hour, and also motivate all the family members to be involved in this fitness journey. And I am sure that this way we can not only be able to involve the fitness bar for ourselves but also our family members, and will become a catalyst in fulfilling the dream of Fit India movement. We shall take pledge that we will inculcate habits which will lead to healthy life and motivate others to do the same. Fit India movement can only be successful when we send the message to the society that Fit India only can facilitate in prosperous India. With this, I invite all of you to participate and make fitness a revolution and spread this message throughout the nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.